Hi guys, welcome back to Keychain Atan Crafty Craft episode 2. So, as I said before in the previous video, I want to show you how I finished that Aquabeads and also the keychains. And I try to install the keychains with that resin, resin that I bought from Shopee. And yeah, guys, if might you might hear a little sound video because I just made this video while I watch SM Town New Year concert free. So yeah, um, I take it all down because I'm scared with the copyright from YouTube. So I just don't want to take a risk for that. Anyway, the first Aquabeads that I want to make Christmas tree. Yeah, it's no, that's late Christmas. Yeah, that's late Christmas, but okay. Wow, I forgot who sing this song. But anyway, I love this voice. I mean, SM is the best artist in singing. No idea. 하 내가 키 에이 아하 화난 들어가 So guys, here I want to install keychains, the small things in a ring, in a small ring. And firstly, I use what is it? Scissors, scissors, because I don't have. I just realized that I don't have equipment for installing the keychains. But yeah, I end up with the scissors, and that's fail. Then I just have new idea that okay, why not I use my resin to cut, use my resin as a glue. I mean, yeah, as a glue. So yeah, then that's the final result. So cute. Bye bye.